Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Marvel Spider-Man on your iPad. While the game isn't directly available as an app, there are excellent methods to enjoy this adventure on your tablet. We'll explore two primary approaches: utilizing cloud gaming platforms and setting up remote play from your PlayStation console. These options provide a seamless experience, bringing the web-slinging action right to your fingertips, offering a fantastic way to enjoy the game anywhere with a stable internet connection. One fantastic way to play is through cloud gaming services. Platforms like PlayStation Plus Premium allow you to stream the game directly to your iPad. You'll need a robust internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or higher, for a smooth experience. Simply subscribe, download the services app, and pair a compatible Bluetooth controller, such as a DualSense or Xbox controller, to your iPad. This method lets you jump into the action without owning a PlayStation console. Another excellent option is PlayStation Remote Play. This feature allows you to stream games directly from your own PlayStation console to your iPad. First, download the free PS Remote Play app. Ensure your PlayStation console is either powered on or in rest mode and connected to the internet. Then, pair your DualSense or DualShock controller with your iPad via Bluetooth. This setup provides a direct connection to your console, letting you play your owned games from anywhere in your home or even remotely. To truly optimize your Spider-Man experience on iPad, a few tips can make a big difference. Always use a high-speed, stable Wi-Fi connection to minimize any input lag or visual stuttering. For extended play sessions, consider using a tablet stand to position your iPad comfortably, reducing neck strain. Finally, ensure your iPad has ample battery life or is connected to a power source, especially during longer gaming sessions, to avoid interruptions. Enjoy swinging through New York City.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.